The LMA Sheeter by Doyon can sheet up to 30 pounds of dough up to 18 inches wide. It's suitable for sheeting and stretching many types of doughs, including croissant, puff pastry, Danish, donut, pie, pizza, and more. This efficient sheeter has 20 speeds and reduces labor costs by being able to roll dough faster than rolling by hand. It's perfect for bakeries and commercial kitchens alike. Standard features of this sheeter include forward and reverse action with digital 20-speed control, heavy-duty, maintenance-free 3/4 horsepower motor, high-precision sheeting with thickness of 1 millimeter to 40 millimeters, sheeting rollers, lower scraper, dough collector and flour container, security bars for accident prevention, wheel mounted with quick locking device and anti-vibration feet, and removable and adjustable conveyor. This folds up for compact storage and easy cleaning. In today's video, we will be going over operational use, maintenance, and cleaning of the LMA sheeter. Starting with our control panel, you will see a very simple layout consisting of controls from speed 1 to 20 and a green power button that supplies power to your unit. The green button will not start the machine, nor will the red one stop it, but this brings power to the sheeter. We also have an emergency stop button, which takes all power away from the unit. This is the lever that will determine the thickness of your sheeter. The numbers start at 0 and move all the way up to 43. In this case, the smaller the number, the smaller the dimension is between your two rolling pins. Whenever sheeting dough, we always suggest you do it progressively, starting with a larger thickness and slowly working your way down until your desired thickness has been met. This pin right here can be set so that you can never go below a certain thickness. For example, if you know your croissant dough will always only be brought down to a 5, we would set the pin here so that the operational user has no choice of going past that and potentially ruining and breaking your dough. When it comes to controlling your belt, we have a few options for activating them. First, once we have powered our unit, selected the correct speed, and pressed our green start button, we can activate the belt using the foot pedals below. Another method of operating the belt is to use the black levers. If your machine is running and you need to quickly stop it, lifting up on the safety catch will do just that. Anytime the safety guard has been lifted, you must reset your machine by pressing the green start button. This sheeter is equipped with a safety catch for dough on the end of your machine. It is also supplied with 2 rolling pins on either side of the belt for rolling up dough such as pie, croissant, puff, and laminated. The sheeter also has a flour catch on the very top of the unit. This ensures that you have adequate amounts of flour to dust down your product as you're sheeting. This sheeter runs on 2 separate belts that run independently of each other. When sheeting doughs, your intake belt moves at a slower speed as your outtake belt. This ensures that your dough does not get wrapped around the pin as it's being pulled out on the other side. To clean your sheeter, use warm soapy water on all parts except for the belt. To remove the dough catches on either side of your sheeter, first unscrew the 4 pins found on the side and underneath, and then pull forward. To clean the belt of your sheeter, find a plastic or metal bench scrape. With the sheeter turned on, running towards yourself, angle your scraper at a 45-degree angle. Start cleaning your belt by applying light pressure downwards at a 45-degree angle. You can finish wiping down the belt now with a dry towel. Never use water to clean your belt. The belt will swell and then shrink and deform as it dries. A clean, dry pastry brush is also a good tool to use to clean off extra flour and debris from your sheeter. Once finished with production for the day, the Doyon LMA Sheeter can be easily folded up for quick storage. At this point, we recommend you remove the flour crumb tray from underneath, give it a quick wipe down, and replace it. For Doyon's full lineup of sheeters, instructional manuals, and warranty information, please visit us at our website.